Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a plan with me and it's going to be for the week of January 29th through February 4th. This week I don't have like a whole ton of things going on, just a few things here and there. I think this week will be like a lot of just work tasks, which I don't really like put details in my planner until the day of, just because I have a lot of things that come up last minute. But before I go ahead and get started on this week, I want to go ahead and show you the current week, which is turning out so cute. It's this one here. This is the Sweet Panda kit by Bubba Bear Studios. I love this kit so much. It's so adorable. Not only because I love pandas, but just because the colors in general are just so beautiful. I'm like in love with it. It's just perfect. By the time this video goes up, the sale is still going on, so you'll be able to pick up this kit for the PVC sale, and I highly recommend it because she has some awesome promos going on for samplers and stuff like that. If you're not familiar with her shop or not in her Facebook group, I highly recommend joining it so that you can get all the details on this. And I'll have the link down below for the Planner Boss Collective sale that I mentioned in my last video as well, so you can check out not only her shop but all of the awesome shops that are part of that sale. So let's just go ahead and get into this week that we're planning. So the kit that I'm using this week is by Station Stickers, and it's this one here. It's beautiful, foiled, and just everything. It's so gorgeous. It's called Heart, and I just thought it was so pretty. I love the pink, and then it's like rose gold foiled, which is just speaking to me. It's so beautiful. So this is the kit here. So these are the full boxes, and then this is like a strip of washi up here, like one long one. I guess you can use it in like your personal planner or something, because she does have the bottom washi for the Erin Condren part of this kit as well. But this is just so pretty. I love it. So those are the full boxes. You have the full heart checklists, and then the strip of washi along the top. Again, that's foiled as well. You have glitter headers, half boxes, sidebar items, and then some more functional items. You have your traditional to-do, today's, and like little thing headers, and then you have some sidebar headers as well. Some more functional items, and then some more like functional decos, stickers, your little things, the gorgeous date covers, and then you do have some flags and date dots. And here is the beautiful bottom washi that's foiled, so pretty. And then you have like cut washi here. I am all about this kit. This kit is so gorgeous. I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with the bottom washi, full boxes, the glitter headers, and the date covers. So I'm just gonna do that in that order after I take the inserts out of my planner. And after I do all of those, we'll be back to do day by day and the sidebar. Okay, so I got the bottom washi, full boxes, and the glitter headers and date covers down. While I was doing that, I went ahead and put down my work stickers, and these are the Work Schmirk stickers from Bubba Bear Studios in her neutral colorway. I went ahead and put these down because if you watched the last video, I only did half at a time. So I did the first half while I was working on the first half, and then I did the second half, but I forgot to do the second half before I started planning my day. So I ended up having to move stickers around because I forgot to put this down. So I went ahead and just went and did that while I was putting everything else down. So I'm going to go ahead and move this to the side and start on the sidebar and zoom in a little bit. Okay, so for the sidebar, I'm going to do a similar setup to what I did last Plan With Me and put my dinners on a weekly habit tracker, and then I'm going to put down a daily habit tracker for working out and a checklist for my Happy Meal that's coming in. I really don't have a whole bunch of Happy Meal that I'm expecting, so I might end up just putting this down, or a checklist down for my, just to track like things that I need to do for the week that don't have to be done on a specific day. So I think I'm going to do that instead of the Happy Meal, just because I know I don't have a ton of Happy Meal coming in. Okay, so that's the sidebar. So then we'll just go ahead and start on Monday. So Monday, the first thing I want to mark is that I have a meeting at 10 a.m. As per usual, that is something that is totally not any different. I have them every Monday. I'm going to pull in some squiggle labels, and these again are from Bubble Bear Studios. These are my favorite things to use to mark my meetings, just because I think they work well with the way that I do it. So if you didn't watch last week's Plan With Me, I used these squiggle labels from Bubble Bear Studios, and then I used these time arrows from Moonlight Paper Co. As you can see, I use them often. And then I use meeting scripts, either these from KPL Plans, or I use other ones that I have, but these ones right now are my favorite, so I'm going to just stick with these in this combo. And I think what I'm going to do is just pull in, I'm just going to pull in like a neutral color, and I don't know, it doesn't really matter. Maybe I'll just match the gray to this, which I don't think, I'll just use this one here. So I just like to center it so that the little arrow, I don't know if you can see that well. So I like to center the time arrow so that the little pointy part is like right in the middle and just kind of points into the little squiggle in the middle of that squiggle. That's like the way that I like to do it. And then I'm just going to take one of these meeting stickers, and I guess I'll just take the pink one, and I like to set that there. So that's for my meeting on Monday. Literally all that I have down for Monday, but I might go ahead and try to film a video so that I can get that out of the way for the week. And I think I'm just gonna take these Fox and Pip bow clips that I have, and I'm just gonna take that nice cream color. I think it'll go well with the kit, and I'm just gonna stick this right down here to mark that I want to film. And I'm going to use these scripts from Shop Heather and Plans and take the film one just to mark that. So there's that for filming. Okay, so that's all for Monday. So moving on to Tuesday. Tuesday, I don't have a whole lot down for Tuesday. All I need to do is prep the budget, and I like to do that because I'm going to be getting paid on Wednesday, and I usually prep my budget for payday so that when I go to pay the bills, it's just easy and I can knock it out. So I'm going to take these to-do clipboards from Bubble Bear Studios, and I'm going to take the light pink color. No, I'll do the green. I'll take the green and I'll put it on one of these quarter boxes. Again, that's all that I have for Tuesday, but I think I'm going to go ahead and mark that I want to edit my video that I'm going to try to film on Monday. So I'm going to just put this right here. So to mark that Wednesday is payday, I'm going to take this little money sign, and this is from Bubble Bear Studios. This is on her Black Friday sampler that she had. She did monochromatic samplers, and this is the green one. So I'm just going to take the little money sign, and I'm going to take one of these little check boxes that she has here and mark that it's going to be payday and that I need to pay do the budget. So I want to do that, but I'm going to put it over one of these quarter boxes because I think it'll be cute. So I'm just going to do this neutral one. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to upload a video. Whatever video I film on Monday, I'm going to upload on Wednesday. So I'm just going to take another one of these Fox and Pip clip bows. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip to the other half of the week. Okay, so moving on to Thursday. Thursday, I again don't have anything put down. The only thing that I want to do is film and edit a video. And this is going to be the video that's going to go up on Saturday. So I want to use a different color of these bows that I have. So I'm just going to take maybe I'll just do the pink since it matches. So I'll do the pink. So that's all that I have on Thursday. Friday, I do have something that I want to mark down. I can't really go into like super details on it, but it's something that I want to notate because I do want to make sure that I just remember. I don't think I'll forget. It's just something I want to remember because it does make me nervous. But I'm going to put this down here at the bottom just as like a reminder box. So I'm going to use these Rizzo Freaking Out stickers from Bubba Bear Studios. She's so cute. I love how cute she is. But this is probably literally how I'm going to be feeling on Friday. So I'm just going to mark that. So I'm just going to stick her here and I'll write in whatever that is going on. So on Thursday, I forgot to mention that I do want to plan for the following week. So to notate that, I want to take the plan stuff sticker from the green monochromatic sampler. I mentioned in my last video that she does have these plan stuff stickers in her shop, but I'm just using it from the sampler since I've already pulled it. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to stick it on one of these quarter boxes just to mark that I want to do that. Moving on to Saturday. So Saturday, I do want to have my video uploaded. So I'm going to use the pink. That's pretty much it for Saturday. Again, I don't have a lot planned and I feel bad that I don't have a whole bunch planned, but this is literally like one of the most common weeks. Like I really don't have a whole lot planned for a lot of weeks other than like work stuff. And some of that comes up last minute, so I can't really like plan for it or put it in my planner ahead of time. But if you ever do want to see like what my spreads end up looking like at the end of the week or like midweek, I do post those on Instagram. So I highly recommend following me on there so that you can see what my planner spreads end up looking like. And I do try to show you the current week that I'm on so that you can see in the video as well. So if you don't have Instagram, then definitely check back in the following video so you can see what it looks like to the point that I have planned, because I do plan daily. So on Saturday, I did forget to mark that my dog's heartworm medicine is due. So to mark that, I'm going to take this dashed quarter box from Bubba Bear Studios, and I'm just going to take this pink color because it matches pretty well with the kit. And I'm going to stick it right here at the bottom just so it's like a little reminder. And then I'm going to take one of these little black paws, again from Bubba Bear Studios, to just set a reminder that his heartworm medicine is due. I just gave it to him. And then moving to Sunday. Sunday I have that I want to do my laundry so that I can get that started and knock that out. So I'm going to take this quarter box from the kit and I'm just going to stick it right here. And I'm going to take the laundry sticker from this mono sampler and use this to mark that I want to get laundry done. And other than that, on Sundays, the Super Bowl is on the 4th, which I'm so excited for. I mean, not like overly excited because I really don't care which team wins, other than I don't know. None of the teams that are playing in the Super Bowl are my team, but I just love football so much that I am excited for it. I'm actually sad and happy because I don't want the football to end, like football season to end, because I love football. But at the same time, Super Bowl is what they all been working for the whole year. So it's just cool to watch. So I'm gonna put that half box down to mark the Super Bowl, and the two teams that are playing is the Eagles and the Patriots. So to mark that, I'm gonna take these from Rory's Sweet Addiction, and I'm gonna take the Patriots helmet and the Eagles helmet to mark them playing. So I'm just gonna like stick them in here, and I know they're facing the same way, but I really don't care. It's mainly because I don't have them like to verse each other, and I'm going to take these little verses sticker to mark this. But because they're not my team, I don't have the helmet that goes in the opposite direction to do the head-to-head version, but it's okay. That's pretty much everything that I have. I really don't have a lot going on. It's actually kind of sad that this week is that slow, but it is what it is. Okay, so here's the week in full before pen. I think it's so pretty. I love it so much. I'm loving all the foil and the pink. It's just calling my name. I love it. But I'm going to go ahead and fill this out, and I'm going to be using this pen here, and this is a Sarasa, I think. Sorry. I think that's how you say it. Sarasa, that's how I say it. And it's a 0.5. This is my favorite. This is a gel pen. This is my favorite gel pen. I love how inky it is, but yet it's still like the super thin tip. So I like this pen a lot. I will be pulling in a pen gem to match this spread, but I just haven't pulled it yet. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the spread filled out to as much as I can for now. I'm loving this so much. I can't wait to see what it looks like at the end of the week. Like I had mentioned, if you do want to see that, then definitely check out my Instagram, AllThingsAvie, and I have that linked down below as always. And again, if you don't have Instagram, I will try to show it in my next video. But before I go ahead and end this plan with me, let me go ahead and show you what I have left in the kit. I do have a lot left over, but I do plan to bring it into the spread throughout the week since I do plan daily. So I have these functional pages left over, which is a ton. I have that strip up here, the little things, and then some bottom or washi strips. So again, I do have a lot left over, but we'll see how much I end up using throughout the week. But if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.